Hello friends, and welcome back to the ClickBank Top Offers segment. We are thrilled that you're joining us, and we cannot wait to share our top offers with you. We have a few awesome newcomers, some legends making up our list this month, and there's plenty of promotional opportunities for everyone, so let's dive in. This is May Top Offers. Let's go. Number 5, we got GlucoTrust. This isn't GlucoTrust's first time on the top offers, and this powerful offer is not done yet. This proven supplement promotes healthy blood sugar levels, helps curb cravings, and even helps with deeper sleep. I could use some sleep. This all leads to weight loss and improved mood. So what's the secret? A proprietary mixture of chromium, biotin, and manganese support the body with all natural properties and help balance hormones, leading to weight loss success. We did Google how to say manganese. For affiliates, promoting is smooth with the email swipes, creative assets, and a robust affiliate tools page. So check out their content today to see what you need to start promoting right now. So let's get to the numbers. EPC, 88 cents. An average payout value of $149.56. And a hop conversion rate of 0.59%. And you're probably thinking, well, that seems a little bit low for a top offer. You gotta remember, a lot of people are promoting it, and it's doing well on all traffic sources. So whether it's native, Facebook, organic, whatever you have, it's gonna work well on there. Just know that you're going into a bit of a crowded sphere, but you're gonna do great. I believe in you. And at number 4, we got GlucoBerry. It is another great offer in the blood sugar niche. GlucoBerry is new to the ClickBank Top Offers list and is already picking up steam. It has great upsell opportunities, low refunds, an engaging VSL, plus a huge target market, as you can tell from GlucoTrust. So, what is GlucoBerry? It's actually a berry grown on glucose. No, that's not right. It's blood sugar supplement with 3 proprietary ingredients backed by a panel of medical professionals. It works to clear the sticky gray protein out of the blood sugar drain located in the kidneys that helps the body process and burn sugar. Its secret is the Mychal berry, grown primarily in Chile and Argentina. This little berry packs a strong punch, and when it comes to clearing out that protein and getting the drain running smooth again, well, take a look at their landing page to find out all you need to know to get started, and you'll know it's smooth sailing after that, and maybe keeps you regular. Let's talk about it. EPC, it is at $1. Average payout value is $138, and your hot conversion rate is at 0.73%. It is doing great on all traffic sources. I will say on native, on Google, on YouTube, on Facebook, on organic, SEO. PPC is doing amazing. You're definitely going to want to promote it, and they do CPA. And before we move on to the top 3 in the top products, if you find this content valuable, you know you do, please give us a good old like and subscribe to make sure we know you like this kind of content, and make sure you know when we release more. Okay? Good? Sweet. Okay, back to the good stuff. And at number 3, we got Pelvic Floor Strong, and we are excited to welcome it into the number 3 spot in the ClickBank Top Offers in May. This wellness program heals and supports women's pelvic floor to improve overall women's health, stop bladder leakage, and empower women to feel strong and confident in their bodies. I'm an ally. With lessons on Kegels, abdominal strengthening, posture improvements for metabolism, and much more, this offer is perfect for anyone promoting in the women's health space. It has upsell and subscription opportunities to add to that average payout value, and the low refund rate is just the cherry on top. Check out their landing page to experience Alex's story and how she helped her and her mom heal. It's actually a really good one. I recommend it. And at the numbers, we got an EPC of 98 cents, an average payout value of $71.71, and a hot conversion rate of 1.36%. It does amazing with email. It does amazing with paid ads, whether it's Facebook, whether it's native, especially with native, and it works great on organic. Make sure that you're going to filter out your list. Of course, you're not going to want to go full general. This is a women's offer, but it works amazing with that traffic. You're definitely going to want to promote it. At number 2, we have MetaboFlex. This weight loss supplement targets stubborn belly fat by increasing metabolic flexibility through a blend of 6 rainforest super ingredients. This new offer has only just started on ClickBank, and we have a feeling it's going to keep on going. With a high APV, this offer is sure to excel through May and beyond. With upsell and subscription options, the opportunities with this offer are abundant. Ideal niches include weight loss, the over 30 market. So just take a look at the affiliate tools page to get your hop link and start promoting today, because it is a good one. has an EPC of 73 cents. It has an affiliate payout value of $146.17. And the hop conversion rate is sitting there at 0.49. And you're probably saying, oh, those are low. How is it number 2? It's because it is brand spanking new, and it's going to kill it. You want to be promoting this, because if you're one of the ones to get this thing going, and there are people who have it going, you are going to make a killing off of it. It's awesome. Promote it. It's going to work great. And especially when you got the hot girl summer, people are going to want to look good for summer. So hit it up. And now for our number 1 offer, it's Prostadine again. No surprise there. With scientific proven ingredients, Prostadine helps combat the buildup of minerals in the prostate caused by hard water. To counteract issues caused by hard water, Prostadine helps to reduce buildup and improve prostate health. It's a goodie. This offer is ideal for many niches, including men's health, all natural remedies, aging, joint health. It's up there. It's a really good one. It has great upsells, low refund rates, and excellent ad creatives that attract buyers from assorted segments. You want to head over to the ClickBank Marketplace and get your hop link to start promoting this one ASAP. It's going to be the best offer for the next month. Guaranteed. Well, not guaranteed, but it's pretty good. So check out their affiliate tools page and learn about this all-star offer. It's got an EPC of $1.50, an average payout value of $133.15, and the hop conversion rate, 1.13%. It's killer. It's awesome. Promote it. Do it. Get out there. It's amazing. Prostadine is working great on all traffic sources, and that especially paid sources. So you're talking Facebook, you're talking YouTube, you're talking PPC, you're talking native, you're talking native on the web, you're talking native on your phone, you're talking native where there's native. It's native. You want to promote it everywhere. Just get out there. It's going to work great on email, organic, all that. It's good stuff. Get it. And that has been your top 5 offers. If you like this content, of course, hit that subscribe button and like it. Like this video. Like me, please. I need support, love. Just, people just to know from a digital audience, just knowing that I'm being seen out there, and it helps my self-esteem, because that's what my counselor says I need. But really, subscribe. You want this.